This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Darcy Guethlein. All brick, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, ranch-style home, including a 360 square feet detached garage with power. Open floor plan with hardwood floors throughout. Ceramic kitchen, baths, and utility room. Newer kitchen, granite counters, cabinets with soft close, stainless steel appliances, glass top range, fixtures and hardware, including updated baths with tiled showers. Fig, apple, pear trees. Minutes from Hampton Town Center. Loads of shopping, restaurants, activities. For more information, review the details below.